As we've already learned about wasps, really in their adult form, they only feed on nectar for sustenance. And so it's very important to keep in mind planting flowers, even as you're trying to attract wasps as predators into your garden. And wasps, unfortunately, they have very shallow tongues. And so unlike bees, especially some of our larger bees and say butterflies that have very long tongues that they can kind of roll out like a red carpet to feed on flowers. Wasps don't have this luxury. And so, again, like some of our solitary smaller bees, like we've already talked about, it's very important to plant shallow blooms, very easily seen and very easily accessed blooms for wasps. And some great examples of this is any plant in the carrot family, goldenrod, sunflowers, and echinacea.